Hello students, welcome to the political science tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss with you the topic nature of political science. The nature of political science can be understood in three different dimensions. The first is whether political science as a science or it is not a science. Second, whether politics as an art. And third one, whether it is politics or it is a political science. The first dimension I am taking here to understand the nature of political science is whether politics as a science or it is not a science. So the first argument we will see that political science as a science. So there are viewpoints to say that political science as a science, and why it is said as a science, there are different viewpoints. It is said that political science is not a pure science. It is a science, but it is not a pure science, but it is a social science. Because why it is called as a science? Why it is considered as a science? Because the studies which are conducted in a political science, it is the facts in those studies are collected, organized through proper observation, comparison and experimentation. So these three methods, that is observation, comparison and experimentation, are also used in science experimentation. So as these methods are used in political science studies, that's why political science is considered as a science subject. But it is not a pure science. Why it is not a pure science but it is a social science subject? Because the only difference between the political science and the science is that in political science the experimentation it is done on the human being, while in science the experimentation it is done on the object, and that is in laboratory. The example to give you here is the studies on election. So the study which is conducted in political science which is on election, that study it is based on certain observation, comparison and experimentation. So because of these three methods which are used in political science and the same methods are used also in science studies, that's why political science is considered as a science. Besides, the other thing why political science is a science, because as like science it is using the systematic and formulated knowledge of a specific subject. So that's why political science is certainly considered as a science subject. Second point to know why political science is considered as a science, because it is said here that political experiments are possible in political science. So in science also experiments are done on different theories, different studies. So in the similar way, experiments are also possible in political science studies. For example, here the experiments are mainly conducted on the functioning of the government. To example here is that India has experimented socialist pattern of mixed economy. Socialist pattern of mixed economy was implemented in India during the prime ministership of Jawaharlal Nehru. Socialist pattern of mixed economy, it means that here both public and private sector are introduced in the economic sector. So this was experimented in Indian economy. Other example to give you is the Marxist principle in the USSR. So this is also one such experiment which has been done in USSR, functioning of the government. So in political science, experiments are done on the functioning of the government, or also on the society and its issues which are related to the politics. So this is one of the other viewpoint which considers political science as a science. Third viewpoint to consider political science as a science, because here broad conclusions possible in political science. So here broad and detailed conclusions are possible in political science, and it is same happens also in a science subject. So for example, to give you here is that independent and impartial judiciary. So importance of independent judiciary and the importance of impartial judiciary, it is given in broad and in a detailed manner. So it is concluded in a very systematic and formulated knowledge why independent and impartial judiciary is necessary. Other example to give you here is freedom of press is essential for democracy. So it is concluded in a very broad and detailed manner why freedom of press is important for a democracy. So this shows that political science is a science because broad conclusions are possible in political science, and the same thing is it happens in the science also. Next is fourth viewpoint, political science as a science because empirical tools used in political science. So empirical tools are basically the scientific tools. So here in political science, hypotheses are proved by using empirical tools. Okay, so theories are not developed only on theory but also on empirical analysis. So here in political science, the theories are not developed on just on simply on the existing theories. No, not at all. But theories are developed and updated by using the empirical tools also, empirical analysis also. So here in political science, it is possible to use charts, graphs, survey methods in order to prove the analysis, in order to prove the hypothesis. So these are the empirical tools which are possible in political science, which are also used in the science studies. So that's why it is called as a, or it is considered as a science. Now there is the another argument over political science, that it is not a science. So why it is not a science? So the viewpoint for these are, there is a disagreement in definition, terminology and method. So as far as political science is concerned, you will not find a single static definition or single terminology or single methods used in political science. You will find different political thinker defining political science in different ways as per their experiment, and different terminologies have been used in order to define the political science. At the same time, different methods are also used to study the political science. So there you will find the differences in terms of definition, scope and terminology in political science. But this is not happens in science, because one definition in science is accepted by all, meaning whatever conclusion you get out of your experiment, that conclusion or that one definition is accepted by all in science. So this is a difference which makes political science as not a science subject, because of its different definition, different terminologies and different methods. Second point to know that political science is not a science is because that it lacks precision. So you will not find a very brief and very clear result in political science. So very broad and in a different way the conclusion you will find in the political science. So the concept in political science are not precise, are not brief, and they are not clear. As a result, it leads to controversies. Okay, so that's why you will find different definition, different terminologies, different methods. So there is no single consensus over the definitions of political science, that because of its lack of precision. So as far as science concepts are concerned, they are very precise, clear, and it is accepted by all. So this is not present in political science, and that's why it is not a science subject according to some viewpoint. Another viewpoint why political science is not a science, because the studies of political science are mainly based on human beings. So experiments which are conducted in political science are on human beings, and while in science the experiments are on objects. So the difference over here is that human beings are unpredictable, their minds are unpredictable. You cannot read. If today the opinion of human being is one, the next moment it will be something else. So it is unpredictable. So political scientist deals with men who are not under their control. But in science, what happened? The object on which the experiment is conducted are in the control of the scientist. So in science, see, the experiment are done on object in laboratories and are perfectly under the control of the scientist. So because of unpredictable nature of human being, the experiment you will not find it like a science. So that's why it is not a science. Another reason for considering political science is not a science because of the limited experimentation. So experiment in laboratory or in an isolated environment is not possible in politics like natural sciences. So limited experimentation. So you have to experiment on the area which is possible, and it is very limited, because experiment doesn't take place in laboratories in political science. So this is another reason for considering political science as not a science. Lack of objectivity is another reason for considering political science as not a science, that political science is more subjective rather than objective. So because of subjective nature, it is not considered as a science. So it is a subjective, and it has to deal with human beings in nature in relation to society, state and government. So because of subjectivity, political science is not a science. It is also difficult to predict future in political science. So proper sequence is not followed in political science as like science. So here result cannot be predicted. So because experiment here are mainly conducted on human being, and human being nature is unpredictable. So that's why it is very difficult to predict future. So this is another reason for considering political science as not a science. So these are the some viewpoint which are in relation to understand whether political science as a science or whether it is not a science. So different viewpoints are there. Some believe that it is a science, some believes that it is not a science. So second dimension with regard to the nature of political science is that is politics and art. So the term art, it means practical application of knowledge. So your skill, you are practically applying it. So here political science applies knowledge about political events for creating good social and political order. So political science, it is considered as an art because it applies its knowledge in order to create a good social and political order. So political science, it tries to bring a political order and the social order in the existing society. So political science is a skill, it is an art. One should know how to create a good political order, a political stability, okay, how to function the government. So these are actually a skill. So that's why political science or politics is considered as an art, because to run the government or to run the state or to run the society or to create a order, political or social order, one has to require some skills. So that's why political science or politics is considered as an art. It is a skill. Third dimension with regard to the nature of political science is whether it is a politics or political science. So political thinkers like Aristotle, Lasky use the term politics rather than political science in their studies. So mainly you will find in the studies of Aristotle, Lasky that they are using the term politics rather than using the term political science. While the modern thinkers, they prefer the term political science. So because it is a systematic study of political theory, political institutions, political forces and processes. So political science, it studies in a very detailed and systematic manner about the political theory, political institution, political forces and political processes and formulates them in a proper knowledge. That's why the modern thinker, they mainly prefer the term political science in rather than using the term politics. So these are with regard to the nature of political science. So three dimensions we have seen with regard to the nature of political science. The first dimension is whether political science is a science or whether it is not a science. Second, we have seen that politics is an art. And third, we have seen whether it is a politics or political science. So questions on the topic nature of political science: define political science and examine its nature. Second question, explain the meaning of political science. Is it a science or an art? So thank you very much.